this time because you're sleeping, but rent is due soon, and I saw that you haven't gotten a job yet. There, little baby. Come on. Come on.
Kirby, you chilling?
Hey, chill, dog. Chill, chill.
Too cool.
Oh, good boy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Belly rubs, belly rubs. Oh, you love belly rubs, don't you? Oh.
You taking a swing? Are you taking a swing? Whoa.
We love the kitty. I just don't know if she likes you.
Zandy, let's go. Zandy. Let's go. Zandy.
Distrutta dal caldo. Mamma peluda.
Hey, you can come here. Come on. Come on.
Something. This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
This is our baby milkshake. Just swinging in a swing. Giving no care of the world.
Coco.
Light.
What's she doing? Okay.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? He's not sad, he's happy.
Yeah.
Is that yummy?
In a minute, I'm gonna need a half an hour just to lay here and take a nap.
Come here!
Come on, buddy. Woohoo! Okay, so she wouldn't get up to go to the bathroom. Perks us out. Oh, thank
Sophie, what you doing, girl? Hey, babe. Sophie, what's up?
Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Let's get herbalizer.
Are you not ready to get out? You're kind of shivering. Dad said the water was 67. Wait.
Why don't I ever get watermelon? Do you like it, baby? Are you gonna take any bites of it? Can you take a bite of it?
Ruby, do you like your ice cream? Look at our little baby. He's not sure about this. Oh, we go!
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, я сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, я сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь.
No, not the cone.
Hi! Hi! You like Roomba?
Okay. Good boy. Eat it. You just kind of hanging out? You got stuck, Rocky?
You got your weak spot.
Miska, what are you doing? Oh my god. Ow. It's so funny. Wait, what is going on?
Gasp at your dog and see their response.
Hannah, what are you doing on the bed? Huh? Yeah. Are you smiling? Huh?
Good morning. You're so pretty. Good morning.
One more time, boo boo. Go swimming.
Does the birthday girl want a special treat? Do you want a special treat? Do you want puppy ice cream? Yeah. That's fun. No. Is that nice, Winston?
This way. We go home, okay? She wanna go home? She wanna...
Chubbies? I know more food.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. Hey. Hey. Hey, little Wallace.
Are you ready to get a haircut?
Are you hot? Are you tired?
Hey, buddy.
Hey boy, you good?
Play. Come on, guys. Look at the two. He just wants to play.
That is our surprise, and be prepared for lots more puppy content. This is what they do all day right now, is they either sleep or they eat.
She actually might be enjoying it.
He's going to sleep.
앉아. 앉았네? 미안. 손. 옳지. 아이고 이뻐.
맛있어?
Remy wants to play with you.
Should we wake up? Should we wake up?
Never forget this bath. The coop giving you a bath?
Go, go. Woo. Come on.
We are live now with Miss Harlito on the treadmill. Good girl. You're doing it, Mommy.
Good boy. Good job. Good job. Beautiful.
No. Good boy, yes. No. No. Good, yes. Licks only.
Ruby, do you like your ice cream?
We made it extremely clear. We want to keep things together, and we want to support.
Oh. Hey, miss. What you doing? Being crazy?
Good morning. Good morning.
Wait, this is so funny.
Awesome. Be your treat.
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he said,
Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. You're so smart and cute.
first Starbucks for the puppy?
Right off. Right.
Hello. Hello. We're celebrating early. Okay. Very first puppuccino for his 3rd birthday. You like it? Come on. Come on.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Hi. You can come here. Come on.
vaca Lola, la vaca Lola tiene cabeza y tiene cola. Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart.
It's a combination of this flip.
You like that?
You know, with the start finish line being
You like massages?
you would come around this bench very quick in old format and shut the engine off and just out of habit. Now the environment's been around a long.
Diddley. Lisa.
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second.
Come on. You're a lazy boy. You're lazy. Come on. What are you doing? Tell me. Tell me, what are you doing? Hey. 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 You want a belly rub? I missed you. He's not sad, he's happy.
Yeah.
We gotta show everybody how good you are. How good? How good are you? Oh, that's really good. Good girl. Good job. You? Oh, yeah.
Good boy, Maddie. Come on.
Oh, no, sir. I don't think so. Oh, good boy. Good morning. Good morning. Do you like some oranges? Yes. Yum, yum. Yum. You good. Hi, Myrtle. Yum.
Mom, are you sure this water's sanitary?
looks questionable to me.
Do you want this? Here you go. Puppy ice cream. Oh boy, it's so good. Good boy.
Ja. Av varje ordning. Oh, yeah.
Bender, come here. Come here. Oh. Come on, guys. Look at the two. Oh, he just wants to play. Oh. What you doing there? Can you jump? Can you jump? Can you jump?
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Little Lizzie.
Good girl.
She's such a sweet little chocolate girl. She has lots of energy.
Come on.
You taking a swing? Are you taking a swing?
What are you doing? These are clean dishes.
Oh my goodness. Someone's running around, eh?
Ready, set, go. Oh, you totally cheated.
Ты какая ты красная.
See? Water's not so scary, huh? Just go whoop. Good job. Good job. Yeah, that's...
Vlad, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, you like that, huh? And you're a good dancer.
How am I supposed to write?
Dewey. Yeah.
Got a video?
Ready? Go.